You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Hey gang, welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. Now, BlueDevil Head Gasket Repair is simple, easy to use, pour and go solution that will repair issues like overheating, loss of coolant, or even a blown head gasket. Now, first things first, opening a vehicle's cooling system while the engine is running or hot is going to cause severe burns. So let the engine cool down before you actually go to work on it. Also, dirty or clogged cooling systems should be chemically flushed before installing the BlueDevil Head Gasket Repair. Now look, installation of this product is really simple. Once your engine is completely cool, locate and remove the radiator cap. Now remove the radiator cap and slowly pour BlueDevil Head Gasket Repair into the radiator. Now look, if direct access to the radiator is not available, you want to disconnect the top radiator hose and add the product directly in through the hose. Then you want to reconnect the hose. Do not install into the reservoir or an overflow tank, okay? Once again, don't install into the reservoir or the overflow tank. Now you want to fill the cooling system to the proper level and reinstall the radiator cap. Start the engine, turn the heater to max with the fan on high. Now you allow the engine to idle for 50 minutes or so with the radiator cap on. Turn the engine off and again, allow that engine to cool, at least an hour or so. Then you want to top off the cooling system with the factory recommended antifreeze or coolant. Once complete, man, you are good to go. Drive your life and live leak-free, and we'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.